Okie dokie. All right, so back to the other arm now. Put my white away. All right, so this one, and I'm gonna keep an eye on those feet in case they jump out on me or something. So this one, if we want them to be waving, okay, we'll take our ball, make it into that elongated teardrop. Okay, and here, put it back a little more. So let me put a little water here. And then, so, have this be up, like that. Poke this in, ready for his little mitt. It's like sometimes I have to think here, what angle does that need to be? That's a good angle. Okay, I think I'm out of spaghetti, and I don't usually put toothpicks in, but nobody's going to eat this one. If they're going to eat it, really keep it with the spaghetti in. I feel better about that, so I'll just leave that out for the mitten, and then make some little crease lines here. Like so. Okay, there's part of Santa Claus. All right, so we need a head, which is flesh color. So you can use AmeriColor Copper, which also says flesh tone on it, or you can mix a tiny bit of red and a tiny bit of yellow gel color into white fondant. So we will just take some of this, roll it into a ball. I'm going to end up putting this right on top. Like so. He doesn't really need a neck because he's going to have a beard. Okay, so once you get that on, you want to make the mouth, which should be right down here somewhere. Push in, turn, like that. The nose with the same color. A little ball. Leave a little space so we can get his mustache in there. Okay, and then his eyes. A little bit of white. Go back and forth this way to make it more teardrop shape, or not teardrop actually, it's more of an oval shape, like a tic-tac kind of shape. Ball, and I think that one might be a little bigger, so I'll take it off. Ball, do. And there we go. There's our Santa Claus so far. Yeah, I feel like this head's moving backwards a little. Balance it out a little bit more. Sometimes it's all about the balancing. Oh, now he's like drunk. Now he's just right. Okay. Let's give him a beard. So we're going to take a ball, and make it into a teardrop, and then we can actually cut in the middle, maybe flatten that part a little, and this one we'll end up drawing some little lines in it like this with this veining tool. This is a knife and scriber tool, and I'll have to put more because I'll probably squish that. I need to see if it's even, it's probably a little big. So we'll flatten it out a little bit more. Okay, so still start with the teardrop. Flatten it a little bit. Okay, and then we can cut still. Do our little lines. And I just kind of, curve them a little bit. You don't want them totally straight. And then let's see how this is. It's still kind of long, huh? So I'm just going to cut some of this out. Yes, right.